Hello, my magic ladies. My name is Anastasia A. I'm a money fairy, a dollar millionaire, and a Neurographics instructor. And today I will share with you a cool technique on how to recover a debt that is owed to you. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, hit the notification bell, do it all, leave comments, because it's important to me. And it's easy for you, a healthy exchange of energy. Let's be friends. So, to get your debt repaid, you need to forgive the debtor. How to do this? Option 1. You sit down and repeat these two phrases 20 times. I forgive with love and gratitude, followed by the debtor's name, for example, Henry Jones. So I forgive Henry Jones with love and gratitude, and I ask for forgiveness from Henry Jones for all my thoughts, feelings, and emotions towards him. These phrases need to be spoken 20-30 times or written 10-15 times. Why is this important? Because you currently have negative emotions towards the debtor, since he is delayed returning the money, behaves like a jerk, and generally he promised, and you have resentments against him. And until you remove them, the money will not be returned, whatever you do. You could even go to a court, but your excessive expectations, resentments, all this will hinder the return of money until you forgive him. So option 1, speak or write these phrases down. I'm specifically writing them on the screen so you can see them. Option 2, draw a Neurographics algorithm. I have several marathons. I can leave a link for it. Please check the video description and specifically draw forgiveness for this debtor. It will be even more effective because then you fully and sincerely let go of all the negativity. After you've let go of resentments, either with this technique or through forgiveness via Neurographics, you take your usual notebook, any you have, and write a petition to the universe. You write the petition as usual, your full name, today's date, not your date of birth, someone writes, not the date when you want the debt to be returned, but today's date. And next you write a petition to the universe. Dear universe, I pay attention, give such and such amount to such and such person. In this amount you write the sum of the debt. I gift 1,000 to Henry Jones and ask you to return this money in the fastest and easiest way for me. So what are you basically doing? You are letting go of this money, agreeing that this person will never return it to you, and you are asking the universe to return these funds in the easiest and simplest way. Then you sign it and put a stamp accepted for execution, or you can just draw this stamp. And the text about gifting money to such and such person and asking for it to be returned in the fastest and easiest way, please write it yourself. It's not sorcery. It doesn't matter what order the commas are in the text or exact words. It's important that you catch the meaning. You can write this in any words. The main point is that you are gifting the money and asking for it to be returned in another way. What happens after this petition? Most often the debtor suddenly calls and returns either the full amount or part of it. In rare cases, the debtor does not show up and does not return the money, but suddenly an unexpected source delivers the amount he owes you, and then you should agree that this is the fastest and easiest way for you to receive this money. After all, the main thing is to get the money. It doesn't matter who specifically pays you back, whether it is Henry Jones or some other absolutely stranger. Try this technique and you will be amazed, because I have received many testimonials from my magic ladies, from my subscribers, who, not believing that this works, just to prove to me that it's all nonsense, have performed this technique, recovered their debts, and wrote gratitudes. And of course, like this video, comment below if this technique worked for you, and send this video of this technique to those who really need it. You can find a link to my upcoming marathon, both mini marathons and a big course, in the profile description, so please check them out. And of course, I look forward to your feedback. Your Anastasia A.